Do you think he knows that's a lake?
Coming in hot!
Say, is that a dog?
She's a good girl.
Handsome man.
Where the geese were, and there were thousands of them all over the place.
Yeah, there's 3, 4, 5. One circling up behind us. Alright, geese. You win for now.
This aggression will not stand, man.
We got out near the geese, and only then did we realize we had forgotten our shotgun.
Well, I like her. She's hot.
She's cute.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, go fast.
Oh, that's a relief.
As you know, we made it out alive, and that's the important thing.